This 14-year-old thinks he keeps forgetting to eat, drink water, and take breaks throughout the day, so instead of downloading another generic habit tracker, he built one specifically for himself in just a couple of days. And this app reminds him to complete daily habits every day. He connected the app to Apple Health to sync his steps automatically with Apple shortcuts. He also built a tool to analyze photos of his meals with AI. He can take a photo of the meal directly from his phone, and the app will analyze the image and generate a nutrition summary. And lastly, he added a daily reflection section so he can record how the day went and look back on it later. He built this entire thing using Codex without knowing how to code in a couple of days. So let me walk you through how we built it. The first step was planning. We used ChatGPT to create a PRD, or a product requirement document, outlining the core features and how the app should work. The first version was relatively simple. It included onboarding, basic habit tracking, and daily reflections. Once that was working, he started adding more advanced features. The first challenge was adding step tracking. Directly connecting Apple Health to a website is actually very complicated for privacy reasons, so we explored different approaches and eventually found a simple solution, which is using Apple shortcuts to pull steps data from Apple Health and send it to the app through an API. And this was an important part of his learning process, because AI can help you find many possible solutions, but you still need judgment to decide which one is realistic for your time and resources. A solution might technically work, but that does not mean it is the best path for the project. The next challenge is food tracking, because he wanted to take photos throughout the day. Keeping the project as a desktop website did not make sense. On the other hand, publishing a native app to the App Store would have taken too much time, so we turned it into a web app instead, and that only took a couple seconds. From there, we connected the app to his phone's camera and added image recognition through OpenAI's API. I think what made this project difficult was not simply asking AI to generate a website, but getting multiple systems to work together, including Apple Health, his phone's camera, an AI model, an API, and also the web app itself. And this is where the most valuable learning happened, because he learned how to break down a problem, compare different technical approaches, connect external tools, debug failures, and simplify an idea if the original solution is too complicated. And this is the difference between using AI and learning how to build with it.